Hey, this is Ryan. This will be a quick tutorial today where I'll show you how to upload tables to a Databricks database, and then we'll query the tables with Spark SQL. But first, as always, start your cluster, and then let's create a new notebook. You want this to be the SQL language. I'll just title this SQL Practice Create. And the first thing we want to do is create a database. So if you want, you can just copy this command from my GitHub. So create database if not exist. We'll use sample database as the name. Shift enter. And then the next thing we want to do is upload data to this database. So let's go to data, add data, browse, and you can just grab a sample CSV file. Create table with UI, select our cluster, preview table, and we'll just name this COVID. And this is where you want to select our database we created. And then choose first row's header and first schema and create table. So now going back to our notebook, we can do describe. And then we type in COVID, which is our table name. So if we press Shift Enter, this will give us our list of columns in our table. And what you can do from here is simply do a select command. Let's say we want to select the date, total cases, maybe total deaths from this table. So Shift Enter. And here we go. And if you want something more specific, you can do something like where you select these columns from this table where the total cases is greater than 1 million and the total deaths is greater than 240,000. And here is the updated table. So that is all I wanted to show you for this short video. And in the next videos, I think I'll show you a little bit of Spark.